Are you looking for the best foldable gazebos? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best foldable gazebos on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Oneofics Canopy Tent. The Oneofics pop-up canopy is a sturdy and durable outdoor instant tent that provides excellent shade and protection. The folding frame is made of high-quality steel tube with a rust-resistant power-coated finish, ensuring long-lasting use. The UV protection top cover is made of waterproof fabric with a silver lining to shield you from harmful sun rays. Setting up the canopy is a breeze with its pop-up design, and it can be easily carried in the included carrying bag. The adjustable height feature allows you to customize the tent to your desired position, and the ground nail stakes ensure stability even on windy days. Whether you're hosting parties, attending sporting events, or enjoying camping trips, this canopy tent is a versatile and reliable choice. What we like: easy setup and takedown, lightweight and portable, stable with proper setup, good sun and UV protection, budget-friendly price. Number 2. COBIZI 10x20 Pop-Up Canopy Tent with 6 Sidewalls. The COBIZI 10x20 canopy offers a spacious 10x20 foot shaded area, perfect for your outdoor gatherings like parties, weddings, camping, or sports events. You'll appreciate how easy it is to set up. With just a few people, the tent can be ready in minutes, making your preparation hassle-free. Its strong frame is made from rust-resistant aluminum and steel, ensuring stability even on windy days. Plus, the roof and sidewalls provide excellent protection from the sun and rain, thanks to durable waterproof fabric with UPF 50+ rating. The 6 removable sidewalls give you flexibility to block wind or let in fresh air, adapting to your event's needs. What we like: spacious 10x20 foot coverage, quick, easy setup, durable rust-proof frame, waterproof and UV protection, flexible removable sidewalls. Number 3. Crown Shades Pop-Up Canopy with Nettings and Wheeled Storage Bag. The Crown Shades 10x10 pop-up canopy is designed for easy setup with patented one-push center lock technology and soft pinch-free buttons. It offers a large space of 100 square feet and 9 feet 4 inches maximum interior height. The upgraded fabric provides UPF 50+ UV protection, water repellent and flame resistant. The steel truss frame can hold up to 120 pounds. The canopy comes with a wheeled storage bag, 8 stakes, for ropes, for weight bags, and removable nettings. However, it should not be left unattended in heavy wind or rain. What we like: easy setup with patented one-push center lock technology and soft pinch-free buttons. Large space of 100 square feet and 9 feet 4 inches maximum interior height. Upgraded fabric provides UPF 50+ UV protection, water repellent and flame resistant. Comes with wheeled storage bag, stakes, ropes, weight bags, and removable nettings. Durable steel truss frame can hold up to 120 pounds. Number 4. OASISHOME 10 feet by 20 feet Pop-Up Gazebo Canopy Tent. The OASISHOME pop-up gazebo offers a sturdy and rust-resistant steel frame with a simple thumb latch system, making it easy for you to open and fold the tent quickly. Its large 10 foot by 20 foot size provides plenty of shade, comfortably fitting 10 to 12 people or several tables, perfect for outdoor gatherings or marketing events. Setting up the tent is straightforward and can be done by 3 to 4 people in just a few minutes without any tools, saving you time and effort. You also get 6 removable sidewalls, including 2 with zipper doors and 4 with windows, so you can customize your shelter for privacy or ventilation depending on your needs. What we like: durable steel frame, large 10 foot by 20 foot coverage, easy tool-free setup, removable sidewalls with doors. Number 5. XJDABXD Houses Pop-Up Gazebo 12 feet by 12 feet. The XJDABXD pop-up gazebo offers a spacious 12 foot by 12 foot area that comfortably fits 8 to 10 adults, making it perfect for gatherings and outdoor furniture. Its 2 large doors with double zippers allow easy access and ventilation, while the breathable windows keep the air fresh on hot days. The carbon fiber frame lets you set up the tent quickly without hassle, saving you time and effort. Plus, its transparent design provides a nearly all-around view, so you can enjoy the outdoors while staying protected. This tent is ideal for backyard fun, outdoor trips, and creating a cozy shelter wherever you go. What we like: spacious 12-foot by 12-foot design, easy pop-up setup, good ventilation, clear 540 degrees view, accommodates large groups.